Hi, I'm Ashley from the Customer Education team at Fullcast. In this video, I'm going to walk through Scenario 2 of the Fullcast Practice Territory Carving Scenarios. Here's the scenario. You're carving 3 territories in the Enterprise segment and then carving the Enterprise West territories, keeping certain accounts with the existing rep. Resuming from the plan from Scenario 1, carve 3 regional territories in the Namer Enterprise segment, which are balanced at the state level with approximately the same number of accounts in each. Those segments will be called Int West, Int Central, and Int East. Be sure that you include Canada in the allocation. In the Int West region, carve 5 territories, but to minimize disruption to the existing account relationships, choose to keep any accounts that currently have an AE assignment aligned to the current rep, and then balance the territories by total number of accounts. Let's see what this looks like in Fullcast. Here we are in Fullcast taking a look at the Enterprise segment. I'll click Edit here to show you that I have used the Smart Plan for Maps to build 3 territories, and I've elected to build contiguous segments by creating geographically contiguous territories in the US, balancing at the state level, and balancing by number of accounts. What we have here is these territories currently only consist of states in the US, but I also need to include Canada, which means that I'm going to go ahead and allocate certain Canadian provinces to each of the existing regions. An important thing to do here is to select the map metrics and use the number of accounts, since that's what we're balancing on, to put in the heat map. What this does is it adds that number of accounts up here into the bar, and it'll also be in our tooltip as well. We'll just wait a moment for that to populate. So let me show you what we have here. We have the 3 different regions at the top. When I click on the bar, I can see the approximate percentage of accounts that have been allocated to each of these regions. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into Canada. I click on Canada here, and I'm going to it looks like I accidentally allocated Canada to the West region, so I'm going to undo that by clicking again. I'm going to go to Canada and I'm going to select the territory level. Now, what this lets me do is I can hover over here and I can see how many accounts I have. I'm just going to do a really quick first pass and see how that goes for me. Okay, and I'll zoom out here, and now what I can do is I can click on these bars and I can see the approximate allocation. Looks like I did a pretty good job. I'm satisfied with that, and so I'll save those and move on. Okay, so now for the next part of this carve, I'm going to go into the Int West region and I'm going to carve my rep level territories. I'm using Smart Plan here and I'm building 5 territories. I'm balancing by the number of accounts that have greater than or equal to 1,000 employees, which aligns with the original parameters that I set for the Enterprise segment. And I'm going to minimize disruption by aligning assignments in account executive of a normal role type with the current relationship defined in owner ID, which is the account owner. I'm going to leave unassigned accounts in the unassigned node. I will include named accounts in Smart Plan balancing, and I will not reassign children to the same segment, though I will include child accounts in the Smart Plan balancing. So there you have it. In this video, we use Smart Plan for Map to create geographic territories and then manually modify them a bit to reallocate some of the Canadian provinces. We also created rep level territories by using Smart Plan and adding a minimized disruption criteria. See you in the next video.